cosmic radiation equals cell death. Out in space, your biggest enemy isn't some creepy alien. It's the invisible radiation literally frying your DNA from the inside out. NASA just realized that the best protection for astronauts going to Mars isn't some multi-million-dollar spacesuit. It's actually just this little red guy right here.
The schematic is
Yep,
sound.
a tomato. Think about it. If tomatoes can protect astronauts from galactic radiation, imagine what they do for your skin and heart dealing with daily smog and blue light. This is a crazy NASA-level health hack you probably never saw coming.
Nailed it. Nailed it.
So, let's talk about space radiation. It's like a microscopic wrecking ball smashing right into your cells. Up there, cosmic rays are basically tearing your DNA apart. But here is the wild part you gotta understand. You don't even need to be floating on a spaceship to deal with that exact same kind of nasty cell damage. Down here on Earth, we're getting hit by something called free radicals. They are literally everywhere, man. I'm talking about all that toxic city pollution, breathing in thick cigarette smoke, or eating junk food. These sneaky free radicals act just like tiny little thieves trying to aggressively steal your electrons. When they rip those electrons away, your healthy cells basically just break down and age way faster, bro. It's the exact same microscopic chaos going on inside your body as an astronaut walking on the damn moon. So whether you're dodging cosmic rays in deep space or just dodging heavy traffic smog in a busy city, your cells are screaming for some hardcore backup to fight off this invisible threat ruining your health.
Oh no.
If you don't shield yourself, those free radicals will leave you looking super tired and aging way faster. That's exactly why we desperately need the ultimate hero to step up and totally crush these bad guys now. Meet the ultimate hero stepping up to save your damaged cells today.
Ultimate prize.
Enter the mighty red tomato, my friends. But it isn't just any regular veggie you'd throw in a salad. It's totally packed with a secret weapon. We are talking about lycopene. It is the absolute hardcore nutrient giving this bad boy its bright red color. Lycopene is literally the heavyweight champ of antioxidants. It's totally built to protect your whole body. Remember those nasty free radicals trying to steal your electrons? Lycopene shuts them all down instantly. It acts like a giant molecular sponge, soaking up all that toxic trash before it completely ruins your health.
Efficient absorption.
Think of it like a glowing energy shield wrapping around your cells, blocking every single incoming hit. Even astronauts floating up in space rely on this exact same superpower to survive those deadly cosmic rays. Back down on Earth, it's fighting off daily smog, nasty junk food, and that harsh blue light from your phone. It's like having a tiny little bodyguard working 24/7 inside your bloodstream to keep you looking young. Now, here is the absolute craziest part about lycopene that most people completely get wrong every single day.
It's impossible.
You'd think eating tomatoes raw is the best way to get all the good stuff, right? Well, think again, bro. Lycopene is totally heat resistant. It actually gets way stronger and much better when you cook it up. Heating the tomato breaks down the tough cell walls, releasing a massive flood of that sweet lycopene. So making a hot bowl of tomato soup or a rich pasta sauce is literally upgrading your cellular defense. It's basically like taking a standard armor suit and forging it in fire to make it totally bulletproof. NASA scientists know this fact. That's exactly why they are so obsessed with growing them up on the ISS.
Almost ready.
So next time you cook, just remember you're brewing a high-tech survival potion for your futuristic body. You probably think I'm totally hyping up this NASA stuff just for views, right? Well, think again, bro. The actual scientists up at NASA are completely obsessed with growing these exact tomatoes in space now.
Ready for phase 2.
They literally launched dwarf tomato seeds straight up to the International Space Station. That's crazy. Why?
No.
Because shipping fresh food to Mars is way too expensive and it spoils way too fast in deep space. So astronauts gotta farm their own superfood while floating around in zero gravity to survive the trip. They built this super wild high-tech greenhouse chamber just to blast these plants with special lights. Now here is a super hilarious true story that actually happened up there recently.
Okay, all right.
You will crack up, bro.
Let's do this.
One astronaut totally lost a tiny harvested tomato inside the giant space station for 8 whole months. His entire crew brutally roasted him, thinking he just got super hungry and secretly ate it all himself.
Oh dear.
They finally found that missing tomato dried up in a tiny dark corner, proving he was totally innocent. But jokes aside, the real science behind this wild ISS experiment is completely mind-blowing right now.
A clear indicator.
They proved that zero-gravity growing doesn't destroy the powerful lycopene packed inside these bad boys. It still acts as a hardcore shield against radiation, keeping their cells perfectly healthy up in orbit. If NASA spends millions of dollars figuring out how to grow them in space, you gotta pay attention, man.
This is the one.
You literally have zero excuses not to eat them while you're just chilling comfortably down here on Earth.
Don't mind if I do.
Toss them in your daily meals to easily block out all that heavy city pollution we talked about earlier.
And perfect landing.
It's the absolute cheapest biohacking secret you can buy at the store without needing a spaceship, bro. The science is completely verified. You are literally eating the heavy-duty armor-protecting astronauts. Alright, time for the ultimate biohacking hack to easily unlock all that crazy NASA-level protection. Most people totally mess this up by just eating them raw and boring salads every single day, my guy. But the real secret is actually applying a little bit of heat to break down those tough plant cell walls. When you cook a tomato, the lycopene bioavailability completely skyrockets and floods into your body. It's exactly like upgrading your basic spaceship shields to max power right before a huge alien battle, bro. All you gotta do is toss some fresh tomatoes into a hot pan with a tiny splash of healthy olive oil. The healthy fats in the oil actually grab onto the lycopene so your body absorbs it way faster and better. You can easily make a killer pasta sauce or just lightly roast them up for your morning breakfast scramble. This super simple kitchen trick turns a basic vegetable into a highly advanced cellular defense mechanism.
Defense upgrade complete.
It builds a strong futuristic armor around your heart and keeps your skin looking flawlessly young forever. So ditch the crazy expensive creams and start eating exactly like an astronaut prepping for a Mars mission. Drop a like if you're upgrading your health today, and definitely stay tuned for more wild space hacks. Wild fact, tomatoes were actually grown in space. But did you know 10 healthy foods we eat daily are secretly harboring hidden dangers? Don't let your snacks play you. Smash that video above right now to get the full tea on this.